Time for a snack break. It's Roomie's favorite, ramen. Hey, no one said you could cut her off. Wow, a K-pop Demon Hunter's blind bag. Gotta love when noodles come with their own toppings. Back to the game. Solve this block puzzle before the clock runs out. Don't want to rush you, but time is not on your side. Ooh, looks like Roomie's got her own minifig mini-me. Okay, girls, time to sing. Or hunt demons, whichever comes first.
Snack time. Time for Roomie's special ramen. She puts a little bit of herself in this recipe. Derpy here is the special ingredient. Not for the soup, but our special spinning wheel. See?
Oh.
Everything's coming up derpy these days. But you'd also make a pretty cool Mera. Of course, the best prizes are surprises. You hit the jackpot. Just look at that haul. Our first mystery box is all about our favorite fuzzy friend. Complete with a derpy of your very own. And look, he comes with his own toy too. He's gonna sleep good tonight. Meanwhile, let's play with these other derpy toys. Looks like a car and a matching pump. And a balloon. It's time to fill her up. When it comes to balloons, go big or go home. Because the bigger they are, the farther they go. Of course, some derpies like to stay grounded. Still, we should help them come out of their shell. After all, it's a big world out there with some big slides. You know the best part of getting down? It's getting to start up all over again. Of course, things are always more fun together. Yeah, they do everything together. Next up, it's Roomie's special box. Can you dig it? Is that a coffin? Good thing the demon hunters are here. In fact, one might be closer than you think. It's Roomie. Sure, we all have skeletons deep down. But maybe we should help Roomie feel more like her old self. Why don't we start with a nice bubble bath? Add glitter. It's the answer to everything. Now, what did I tell you? Roomie's back in action. Of course, Roomie's gotta need her sword. And look, it comes with a cool spinning top. Comes in handy when dealing with those Saja boys. Like right now. Talk about right around the corner. That's a 3-in-1 strike, but we can still use some help.
Yeah!
Like our special clay derpy. He's not made of clay.
Aww.
Then again, you are what you eat. You know, besides, it gives him a long, shiny new coat. Why don't we braid it? He likes Roomie's style. Looking good, derpy, but you could use one thing. Glitter! Knew buying it in bulk was a good idea. And why don't we give you a trim while you're here? Next up, it's time to check Zoe's box.
Oh.
And we even got her special snacks. A twist on ramen. A bit on the sweet side. Bring out the chopsticks, and Derpy's here to help. Even if you're a pro, he's still good company. You want a gummy burger to go on top? No, but there's already a special ingredient. It's a special Huntrix game book. Come on, Mera! Help Roomie and Zoe enjoy snack time too. Gimbap. You just can't stop at one. Here, Zoe, make sure you chew. All gone. Now Mera's earned a little treat for herself. Candy's dandy, but noting tops ramen. We have a special guest. It's Susie. Ooh, a golden egg. Let's get cracking. Let's hope she likes sunny side up. Well, it looks like the yolk's on you. Don't worry, there's more where that came from. You know, it's fun to play with your food. But it's much more fun just to eat it. Aw, you're a regular golden goose. Mera, this box has got your name on it. Or face, rather.
Huh?
Well, a girl's gotta accessorize. Especially when it comes with bubbles. Use your other hand to get popping. It's a fairy with great hair, I might add. And it looks like she's going places. High places. She's sparkling like a diamond in the sky. This box is full of surprises. It's a disc. Let's take it for a spin. Besides, it's got a few surprises. So who says you can't reinvent the wheel? Looks like our final box is about the Saja boys. It's cute, in a grim sort of way, as in Reaper. I think he wants a tip. Add to the plate. He's a bank. He spirits your money away to safe places.
Wow!
And by safe place, I mean his stomach. But I think he'd prefer something spicy. Now that's more like it. He's on fire. Careful, or he'll end up with no face. But would that really be so bad? After all, there's a few spares in the box. And they're just so jiggly. Pretty stretchy, too. Granted, they're not much for looks. Seriously, a breakout would be an improvement. Especially because it means it's popping time. We've earned a treat, a Saja Boys burger. Would you like fries with that, or ramen? Either way, a little nibble shouldn't hurt. Uh-oh, there's some unintended side effects. Looks like Abby's got some new competition.
La 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 la. Oh, great Gatsby! There's a Laboo in the pool! Quick, give me your paw! Better yet, lend us an ear! Hold on, a rope? Wow, you've got a sunken treasure! Uh-oh, where's a locksmith when you need one? Let's pick this Laboo's brain. Is that blocks? Ooh, that purple one's sparkling. And when there's sparkles, there's magic. Let's start with the blue box. How do we open it? There might be a zipper. Wait, I know! The way to every Laboo's heart is the ears. Ouch! Whatever's inside has got teeth. It's another Laboo! Let's give it a treat. And those choppers are extra smart. Aw, who's a good Laboo? You are. Why, they're so smart, they can walk themselves. We've earned a treat, like Laboo ice cream. Guess we've got to make it ourselves. Well, that's one way of getting ingredients. Though I was in the mood for vanilla. But I'll just tell myself it's Tutti Frutti. Just kidding. You don't eat it, you play with it. Or use it to decorate a pen. And on top, it's a Laboo pencil topper. Hang in there, baby. And look, you can even write with it. Granted, it is a pen, but you look cool doing it. Oh, everyone's a critic. What's in there anyway? So, who's up for Laboobos on ice? Looks like we gotta heat things up. And this chili pepper is just what we need. Let's hope this Laboo isn't dry clean only. Oh, all better. Let's show off your fur coat. Hey, you've earned your first key. Let's use it. We're on our way. Let's check out the green box. Ooh, it comes with a surprise. Fresh slime. This stuff sure is squishy. And it's in good company, 'cause it comes with an even stretchier Laboo. This little elf will always stick with you. So let's give you something special. Glitter. Now you're ready to hit the dance floor. You'll be the belle of the ball, as in the disco ball. But first, it's time for a little more squeezing. Careful, you might just knock them back into shape. Oh well, if you still want something squishy, we can whip up some special Laboo slime. Well, it's time to get cooking. It's simple. Mix powder and water. Of course, you can add toppings. And remember, this stuff is stirred, not shaken. Blend until it's Kermit the Frog green. Now let's put the Laboo in Laboo slime. And there's no such thing as too much glitter. Of course, the real test is how it stretches. Let's see what else is in here. Ooh, a Laboo mold. Ooh, gummy bears. They're so cute. Let's melt them. Gotta love the way it all bubbles up. Before it dries, pour it into the mold. Now's the time to let it congeal. Oh, this gummy is almost too cute to eat. Move over, cheese pulls. That stretch really makes the taste last. And don't forget, this box also comes with a key. This next box looks white until you turn off the lights.
Yes,
And it's not the only thing that glows in the dark. I wonder what tricks you can do with it. Talk about in one ear and out the other. Now you see it, now you don't. What else is in here? Wow! Special glowing Laboo drinks! Pick your favorite flavor, or should I say, color. I'm assuming orange tastes like orange, and I'm guessing blue tastes like blue? Seems like there's a bit of an aftertaste. Wow, Laboobos really help light up the night. Is it night, or did we forget to pay the light bill? Either way, the Laboo show is just getting started. Wow, we even get a pair of 3D glasses. Put them on and see what happens. You get 2 Laboobos for the price of 1. Of course, the real star of the show is our next key. Next up, we get to check out the sparkly box. There must be something extra special in here. Wow, Laboo treats! I hear you can't stop at just one. It's Laboo donuts and cake pops. Have a bite. They won't eat themselves, even if they have teeth. Good. Now let's give one of those donuts a try. I wonder if it's got any cream filling. Just be careful with eating all that sugar. It's not good for your skin or your teeth. But the box has got something to help you out. Try out these cute little Laboo pimple patches. You look better already. Now for those teeth. We've got something special for that too. Laboo toothpaste! These monster elves know that brushing is important. After all, they're always showing off their teeth. See? Now doesn't that feel better? Also seems like it's time to ditch those patches. Wow! You look as fresh as a new Laboo. But let's see what else is in the box. Ooh, this looks interesting. It's a Laboo makeup kit. Oh, so colorful. And it even comes with Laboo stencils. Grab a makeup brush and try it out. Why don't we try it out in all sorts of colors? Wow, Laboobos never looked better or sparklier. And what looks better? The final key! Let's ditch these chains and see what's inside. Wow, it's a brand new Laboo, and it's supersized! Of course, there's always room for growth. This Laboo's so big and fluffy. And she's such a great dance partner. But I think she was in that box for a while.